So welcome to CSC 175. I'm very excited to have you in this class with me this semester. What I'd like to do in this video is to give you an idea of what how Canvas works, and in the process of explaining how Canvas works, we'll talk about some elements of the course. A lot of it's already been introduced to you if you've looked at the interactive syllabus, and if not, it will be introduced to you in the course orientation module. But again, I want you comfortable with Canvas while you are using this course, because we will be using it extensively. When you first log into Canvas, you'll be taken to this home page, or into the course in Canvas. You have to go directly to the course. You'll be taken to this home page, and the home page has quite a lot of great information on it. I think you'll find you really like this learning management system. But essentially, it's got the course information here. It's got my contact information. If you scroll down a little bit, it's got a little welcome note, and where it says start here. Hopefully, if you're watching this video, I'm going to assume that you clicked on that, and that took you to the course orientation module, and I'll do that a little later to show you. Below that, we have buttons here for each of the units that we will be doing over the course of the semester. So you'll be working on these as we go through the course, and when you're ready to start a new module, you'll just simply click on that button and it will take you directly to that module. And then below that, I have this interactive syllabus that I've created for you. And again, this is just a tool to get you familiar with the course and the concepts. And as hopefully you've already looked at it when you first logged onto the course, but it shows either each of these dots has a link connection to either a video, or this one over here, for example, has a link that you can follow for more information. And again, if you haven't worked through that, you might want to, although everything that is on this list is also included in the course orientation module. So you'll get it both ways. On the right-hand side of the screen is something that I really have found I like very much about Canvas, and that is over here. I think they call it the course stream. But regardless, it's very, very useful. It lists any assignments that you have upcoming, okay? And it might be listed as a to-do if the date is very close. If you have assignments that have due dates in the near future, they're listed in coming up, and if anything has been graded, it's listed here. And you can click on any of these links and go directly to that assignment. I'm going to show you here with the recent feedback. So say you've turned in your word skills assessment and now you got it back, and you got that 1. Now if you've looked at the grade video on the syllabus, you already understand that. If not, I'll explain that a little later. I click on the assignment. So what does a 1 mean? A 1 means there's a problem that needs fixed. And if that's the case, you will have a very thorough feedback from me over here on that. And a lot of times I like to give video feedback. So here's a little video, and you can click on that video, and it would watch the video. You would watch the video, it would demonstrate what you need. Other cases, there may be links or specific explanations of something to research further or a place to look further. So that is for the grades. And again, if you have an assignment coming up, you can click on that. Now, for these assignments, I will give one little caveat, and that is, if you have an assignment coming up but you haven't read the module yet, do not click and go straight to that assignment. You need to work through the blend space, which is the equivalent of reading the textbook first. Now, on the left side of the home screen, what you have are the different options of where to go. The course syllabus can be found here. The module section is the one we'll be working out of the most. You should be able to, like I said, mostly you'll go there. Discussions, assignments, and quizzes are all the work that you'll be doing if you've and I'll use the internet module for an example. Say you've gone to the internet module, you've read through the blend space, worked through everything you need to know for that, and now you're ready to do the assignment, but you have to quit at that point and go somewhere. Then when you came back, you could click and go directly to assignments. But otherwise, I suggest you use modules whenever you want. Other things that we have here are grades, some of these may disappear, people, which are people in the class, and announcements is another good one to know about. Now, modules you can click to clicking here, or again, if we'll use internet for example, I know I'm ready to do the internet module, I can simply click on the internet button, and either one will get me where I need to go. This one takes me directly to internet. When I get to that module, then I would click on it and work through it. And actually, I'm going to use the internship orientation module as an example. When you log on to the module, click on the first page. The first page will have a description of what's happening in that module. It will explain the learning outcomes for that module. Most of them will also have a link to the blend space. I did set the internship or welcome intern one up a little bit different because the blend space is tied to a specific assignment. But you'll see as that works. And when you'll read through that, I said there may be a video announcement from me. If so, please watch it. Click the next button, and it will take you to the first assignment. When you click on the assignment, let's say if it has a link to something like a blend space, click on that. Click. When you get to the blend space, you'll click play, and you will just work your way through it. Click that right arrow after each of the topics until you have completed the entire unit. Then when you're done with that, this one happens to have an assignment that you will submit. That will just be a screenshot, which it explains how to do here. Click the next button and keep going. And as you work through it, as I said, you'll have those assignments. That is kind of a general overview to how the you will work through Canvas. I find that it is a very, very user-friendly program, and you will be, like I said, I think you'll really appreciate it as you get into it. That it's very powerful and has a lot of good tools for that. So I will end this now, and I will look forward to working with you this